Good afternoon, everybody. I have the Philadelphia SOX Index. So, once again, we had the great rally, but let me tell you something. On a weekly level, when the news got better about the semis, this is what led the rally up in that big bull run in 2019. And once again, we are in 2020. And I'm showing it right up here because it was extremely overbought and it still is. This is going to be the key focus right now as to what the broader markets are going to do, depending on how this particular index will trade and how you can make a fortune. You heard what I said. Because when it goes down from overbought levels, you make money on using different options that we make markets in. We're market makers. You should join us. You're at the right place. Free 5-day trial. 702 685 0772. I'm at a major top right there. And once again, the great bull run is good. However, we're going into an earnings season, and these chip stocks are going to have to produce. Expectations are very high right now. In fact, they're high enough, usually 9 out of 10. It goes the opposite way of what the majority of the crowd thinks and whatnot. And you can make a fortune when they do have to come down because they're priced to perfection as we start to move into next week and the week after that. And they're going to have to come up with the quarterly results. And those expectations are very high right now. And it's been my experience all the time when you get a stock, when it reports, when it's overbought, it reports they beat the number, but then the stock is down $10 or $15 on a good report, and people are asking why. Well, because it was already priced in and they sold into it. And that happens. And this kind of environment, when you do reach a massively overbought, and pretty much a lot of them are all going in the same direction, but it is a bellwether as to what the rest of the exchanges are going to do. And we bring this to your awareness because we feel that you should know what you should be focusing on and whatnot. And if you start to see the things correct as they should, the volatility in the chip sector will return and whatnot. So they have to produce the earnings. And if they can't produce the earnings at these price levels, and even if the report is a good one, it's even still at these price levels overpriced. There isn't anything wholesale about these markets right now. And there isn't. Yeah, you can keep buying highs and get a little bit higher, but when you do get up here, it will start. And now they have events that are happening. So just on a high alert note, we have 11,100 subscribers. This is a Philadelphia SOX Index. It's the chip sector. It's the barometer as to how the NASDAQ 100 and a lot of other indexes are going to perform at the same time. You can get paid more than one way. If you'd like to join the free 5-day trial and get with us, let us show you in front of your face. You got nothing to lose. It's year 2020. It belongs to you if you take action today for yourself. So here we are, double top. It's a 2-week view, 2020 at the highs. I can give you an example of good pullbacks at highs and semis. One of them, if you follow my pointer over here, that's an example when a top had hit and we called and it went down one, two, three, four. Yeah, we had a nice little 4 week reversal and then we rallied right on up. Just remember, we're a market making firm, so we make market in these indexes along with the stocks that move the index. So we're here for you as long as you want to be there for yourself.